Hello everyone, welcome to Speedway Motors. My name is Joe, and today we're here to talk about a new product. This is our steel Chevy engine to Chevy transmission, manual transmission bell housing. And you may have noticed that over the course of the last few years, it's getting harder and harder to find a good original bell housing that doesn't have stripped holes or, somehow been modified over the years. And so this is meant to solve that problem at a lower cost than a lot of competitive bell housings. And this is something that we make right here in-house. These flanges are CNC machined half-inch steel. This is 3/8 steel. It's welded in a precision fixture. And as you can see, it looks a little bit different than an OE bell housing, but works in much the same way. Now, there are a few unique things about this bell housing. One of them, as you can see, the window for the clutch fork is not there. Instead, there's a hole for a hydraulic throwout bearing. This is meant to be used with a hydraulic bearing. Your lines, obviously there would be two, a bleed line and a feed line, will come out either this hole here or this hole that's in the top. And what that gives you is, with a hydraulic clutch setup, a nice sort of weather-tight package for your clutch. The other thing about this is it comes with this inspection window in the bottom. That may be something that you've noticed looking at swap meet bell housings. A lot of people will kind of crudely hack a hole in the bottom of the bell housing so that they can inspect the clutch, inspect the throwout bearing, and obviously when you're installing the transmission, being able to reach in and hold the throwout bearing to guide the input shaft is sort of critical. So we have a window. We also supply this cover. Once you have it installed, comes with the cover, comes with the bolts to bolt it in place. We also have quite a bit of flexibility here in the starter location. It comes with this dust cover. There's sort of a perforated hole here if you need to enlarge that, depending on what starter you're going to run. We also include this cover to offer a nice tight seal against dust and water, and you can kind of trim it depending on what the nose of your starter looks like. And if you do decide that you want to run a regular mechanical clutch with a fork, you'll just need to cut the window in the side for yourself. We do have a threaded boss here for the pivot ball, if that's the way that you want to go. Now, a few other notes on this bell housing. It is designed for the smaller 153 tooth flywheel, and it's also not SFI rated. So if you're actually racing, your sanctioning body rules may require an SFI rated bell housing, and so this will not work for you. All in all, this is a great alternative to scouring the junkyard or the swap meet. To anyone who wants to put a Tremec Muncie Saginaw 4-bolt transmission behind their old school, smaller big block Chevy. Well, hopefully that answers some questions for you about our steel Chevy to Chevy bell housing, and thank you for watching.